Welcome to the Metric Maths Made Easy YouTube channel, presented by Tulan Major. Fundamental algebra and vocabulary of terms. In the previous video, we learned about simplifies, finding a product or multiplying. So we had A times B plus C equals to AB plus AC, got A plus B times A plus B equals to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. And then we had also A plus B times C plus D, where we got AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Now, going to do the reverse. We're going to, the reverse is called factorize. So we're gonna move now from here to from the right hand side to the left hand side. So that is called factorising. Yeah. So now it's a little bit difficult to factorize than to simplify. That's why I say simplify and multiply. But to factorize is a problem. So you need to sort of practice until you get the feel of it. Yeah. So like we do the first one. Yeah. So number one, you factorize AB plus AC. These are two terms. So when you factorize here, what are you gonna get? You're gonna look for a common factor. When you factorize, okay, the first thing you do when you factorize, you look for a common factor. So a common factor here is A. How many A's in AB? There are B. How many A's in AC? There are C. Yeah. So you get A plus B. And we get A times open brackets B plus C. Now, you see what happens. If you haven't practiced, they ask you to simplify. You simplify after simplifying, and then you end up here. So you don't know. So you end up in circles. So please understand the factorizing and the simplifying, multiplying, or finding a product. Yeah? So number two, say, okay, now we are factorizing that one. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Because it's now, and I'm thinking of the grade 9, 10s, yeah, 11s. If you don't know this age, I don't know, but at least you can still learn. Yeah? So now, if you factorize here, what you need to do is a problem because you got A squared, you got B squared, you got, but at least here you got 2AB. Yeah, so maybe you separate the ABs. Yeah, maths teaches you to think. Yeah, so say, okay, since I've got 2ABs, then say AB plus AB plus B squared. Maybe something will come up. And then you see now, oh, okay. On the first bit, I've got a common factor here. So we can put them in brackets. Yeah, put these in brackets. Got common factor here is A. How many A's in A squared? There's A. How many A's in B? Is B. Plus, yeah. Now we've got a common factor again here, which is B. How many B's in AB? Yeah, A. How many B's in B squared? B. And then, now you see, again, now you see we've got two terms, this and that, but again, on these two terms, we've got a common factor, which is A plus B. So you take the common factor A plus B, and you say how many A plus B is in this first term, say they are A, and then in the second term, which is these two products, how many A plus B's are there? There are A plus B. So we end up with A plus B times A plus B. Yeah. So we can also write this as A plus B squared. Yeah, so exponents and everything like that. So now that is mathematics for you. So please know how to differentiate between simplifying, finding a product, and multiplying versus factorizing. So let's do the last one. Number 3. We're moving now from here to there, which is the reverse, yeah, the opposite, or reverse. Yeah. It's opposite or reverse of simplifying, multiplying, or finding a product. So now we've got A, C plus AD plus BC plus BD. And then what is interesting here, we don't have necessarily to take the first two terms or the last two terms. It just depends on your liking. So So you say, hey, now I see a C here, I see a C here, and a C there, I see a D there, and a D there. So you separate them, say A, C plus B, C, put them in brackets, plus A, D plus B, D. Put them in brackets. There's still 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just that you have reshuffled them. Yeah. So now, and then when you come here, say you've got a C, it's a common factor. And then how many C's in AC? This is A. How many C's in BC? This is B. And then you go here, say that I've got a D as a common factor. And then how many D's in AD? They are A. How many D's in BD? They are B. And then again, you end up with a common factor A plus B, A plus B. Then take a common factor A plus B, A plus B in this first product. How many A plus B is in the first product? There's C. And then the second product or the second term. So how many A plus B there? There's D. So A plus B. So now you see you end up A plus B plus C plus D, C. Yeah, A plus B times C plus D equal to that. So don't go into circles. Yeah, don't go into, know what you're doing. If you're looking for a factor or you're looking for products. Yeah, so please like, yeah, and subscribe, and yeah, share with others. This beautiful mathematics made easy by Tulani Major.